Hey guys, how's it going? It's John with Kingdom Marketing Lab, and I just got a quick tip today. I want to make sure that I'm going to do these videos weekly, and I'm going to give you guys some awesome tips. When you get done with the video, you can implement it right away. So the first tip I have today is Facebook Live and why you should be using it in your local business. It's super important because people love videos, right? People would rather watch a video than read a post or anything like that. And why this is so powerful for like a local business is because you can showcase your own business. You can showcase your own food. If you have a restaurant business, you can showcase your own, if you have a beauty salon, you know, the kind of work you do. I mean, this literally works for any business. It doesn't matter what it is. And Facebook Live is so incredibly powerful because Facebook's algorithm, they love Facebook Live. So whoever you have on, like, as friends, however many friends you have, it will push the Facebook Live video all the way up to the top of the newsfeed. That way people see it first. And it gives notifications as well, that basically telling people, hey, you know, this person's going live right now. Do you want to check it out? So, and just video's powerful. And so what we want to do, okay, when you go live, some people like to be on camera, some don't, but a lot of times you really don't have to, you know, have yourself on camera at all. Let's say you have a restaurant business, right? You have 30 things on your menu. Why don't you cook up an entree and then showcase it and let people see what type of food you have and how good it looks, you know, because everybody loves, you know, food. And especially if it looks awesome, they're going to come in your door, right? And this is an awesome way, basically for free, that you can get a ton of engagement, a ton of organic reach, which means people just find you, you know, somehow, you know, on Facebook. But Facebook Live is huge for your business. Like I said, you can do it for any business. It really doesn't matter. And another thing that I like to do with Facebook Lives is basically offer something with the Facebook Live. So let's say you have a restaurant and you showcase some food, right? Offer something. Hey, mention that you've seen this Facebook Live video and you get 20% off. Or something, just give somebody something so they come in your door, right? What else as far as Facebook Live? Any type of video. I mean, because I guess it really doesn't have to be Facebook Live. I mean, you could record a video and then turn around and download it onto Facebook. The reason Facebook Live is so powerful is because Facebook loves it, and it'll show at the top of the newsfeed, and that's the tactic that we want to use so a ton of people will see it, right? So that's my tip for the day for your marketing. You can use it right now. Oh, and one other thing, after the video is done, there's an option on the bottom that says boost this post, right? Let's say you only have 10 bucks, and let's say, and boosting a post is basically like throwing up an ad, right? What's so incredible about this, let's say you own a beauty salon and you just did a Facebook Live and you go to boost, right? And your clientele is, let's just say, women between the ages of 25 and 40, right? When you boost the post, you can specifically pick women that is 25 to 40 to see that video. That is hugely powerful. That way you know your marketing dollars aren't just going to waste. So if you only have 10 bucks, let's say 10 bucks gets you 300 views. That is a pretty good $10 to spend to get your business in front of 300 people. And since it's linked with Facebook Live, Facebook loves it. So I hope this tip helped. And if you guys need any marketing tips or tricks or tactics in the future, let me know. And I'm also always looking for businesses to interview because local is the way to go, and I just want to highlight and showcase these businesses. Thanks.